Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your JLAB GOWORK keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommended to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to turn off and turn on the headphones. At the bottom of your right ear cup, near to USB-C port and the LED light, we have power button. So press and hold it until you will see the red LED light, and we will turn off them. Okay. After that, press and hold power button again to turn on them. Here we go. And after you turn on them, your headphones reconnect to your phone, and they should reconnect to your phone automatically. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you need to reconnect them manually. So try to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and tap at your headphones as the device list. Next, if the soft reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to remove these headphones from the phone. So you need to go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click forget this device button or forget device button or unpair or remove, it depends on the phone, and forget device. Now, your headphones enter to pairing mode, and we know it by the LED light what blinking red and blue. So you need to press and hold at the same time volume up button and volume down buttons until your LED light turn off. So press and hold. Now we need to turn on them, but I have this problem. I don't know, is it only with my headphones or with this model, that after I perform it I cannot turn on them. As you can see, no LED light. The funniest that this LED light with the mute and mute work. So what the solution is to connect them to the power. Then you will see the red LED light. You can remove this cable, and now we can turn on them. Here we go. After that, these headphones enter to pairing mode. As you can see, we have it. And if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. And then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your headphones, and we just reconnect them. Now, if the factory reset didn't help you also, I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. The problem is when you reset it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this, and firstly I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. Okay, on your iPhone, open settings. Then we should go to the general settings. So tap at the general line, scroll down. Right here at the bottom you will find transfer reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click reset. And in this window you need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So click on it, write your password, and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings. Then we should go to the system. Scroll down, system. Right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have reset options. Tap at this line, then select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!